So Nvidia, out of nowhere, decided to drop the announcement on the RTX 4060 and 4060 Ti, and both of these cards are looking pretty impressive from a price to performance ratio. However, if you're a 3070 Ti owner and having thoughts of upgrading to the 4060 Ti, how much of a performance gain can you expect from it? Will the upgrades be reasonable, or should you stick to your 3070 Ti? Here are our thoughts on why you should and should not upgrade to the 4060 Ti from your current 3070 Ti.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
First, let's just go through the specs that will be on the 4060 Ti. It comes in two variants, one with 8GB of VRAM and the other with 16GB. Priced at around $399, the 8GB model has 4352 CUDA and 34 ray tracing cores. It also has 2310 MHz of base and 2535 MHz of boosted frequency. According to Tech PowerUp, you can expect an RTX 3070 level performance, which is now on retail at somewhere around $350. As for the 16GB model, it shares the same spec sheet as the 8GB model but with double the video memory. With that out of the way, let's talk about why you should upgrade to the 4060 Ti from your RTX 3070 Ti. The very first reason to upgrade to the 4060 Ti is its faster clock speed, whether it's base or boost. 3070 Ti has a base clock of 1575 MHz and a boosted frequency of 1770 MHz. Then again, 4060 Ti consumes less power compared to the 3070 Ti. It requires about 160 watts of power, while the 3070 Ti requires a whopping 290 watts. Additionally, 4060 Ti will enable you to access DLSS 3.0 among other amazing AI features, which is exclusive to the 40 series Nvidia cards. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, RTX 3070 Ti has more CUDA cores, which is vital for graphical performance. Despite being an 8GB card, it has a 256-bit interface and 6 or 8GB per second of memory bandwidth, whereas the 4060 Ti is a 128-bit card with about 288GB per second of memory bandwidth. On paper, the 3070 Ti should perform better than the 4060 Ti, at least from the 8GB model. While the card is set to arrive as soon as May 24th, it's pretty early to jump to any solid conclusions about which one is better. Memory bandwidth and CUDA cores do make a difference, while the latest Nvidia feature will surely streamline your gaming performance. For now, we advise you to stick to your 3070 Ti until further benchmarks are available for the 4060 Ti. So that was all about the RTX 4060 Ti versus RTX 3070 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.